In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Facebook name on your desktop. So the first thing you want to do is you want to log into Facebook and make sure you're logged into your account. Then all you want to do is you want to go to the top right and select on your profile picture and just go ahead and select on the Facebook page that you want to go ahead and change the name of. After that, all you want to do is you want to go to the left menu and go ahead and press over here to your profile. Then once you're over here, you want to go to the left menu right here and you want to select on settings. Then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and wait for this menu to pop up, and then in the search bar go ahead and just type in a name right over here, and then there you go. You'll now get this option that says name, so go ahead and press on that. Then you're going to see this option. All you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on edit, and then from here you guys actually are able to go ahead and change your name. Now if it's like some small minor changes to your name, Facebook is typically going to automatically approve it and make the changes immediately. However, if you're like completely changing the name to something completely unrelated, then it may actually get denied, or you may need to do some verification. Also keep in mind, if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.